Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer social posts from Buffer into Hootsuite. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer social posts from Buffer into Hootsuite, begin by logging into your Buffer account. Navigate to the Posts section on your Buffer dashboard. Select the specific social media account linked to your Buffer. Locate the posts you wish to transfer. You can choose to export individual posts or bulk download. For bulk downloading, look for the export option, typically found in the Settings or Tools section. Choose CSV as your export format to facilitate the transfer. Once the export is complete, download the CSV file to your device. Now, log into your Hootsuite account. Navigate to the Publisher tab in Hootsuite. Click on Create or Import option to start adding your posts. Select Import Posts from CSV in the drop-down. Upload the CSV file you previously downloaded from Buffer. Ensure the columns from the CSV align with Hootsuite's required fields. Hootsuite may prompt you to confirm the mapping of these columns. Adjust any necessary settings regarding scheduling or posting dates. Once everything is set, click the Import button to transfer your posts. Review the imported posts to ensure they appear correctly in your Hootsuite dashboard. If any adjustments are needed, edit the posts directly within Hootsuite. Finally, schedule or publish the transferred posts as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.